Hey, good folks, welcome back to the unboxings. Welcome back to my little fortress of solitude, as I like to say, of 3, 4, and 5. I should have already posted the video where I showed these, just this quick snapshot of these boxes. I've got a few more, maybe a dozen more, I don't know how many, that have yet to be opened up. So it'll give us something to do and keep us all busy here. Having a little bit of fun together. Here we go. I can't recall what this one was. I took away the label so to keep that sender's privacy, but it feels like a box. Oh, it's just the inner. For a minute there, I thought it was a toy box or something. I was like, wait, I didn't know it was a toy. What's going on here? All right, I'm gonna have to get to this box. Let's see, where's my cutter at? Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can just do this the old-fashioned way. A little bit of elbow grease, but brute force. Oh, not too much. Yeah, I believe there is. Retract that. Cut my fingers. Okay, hold on, folks. Here we go. Let's see. What's the magic offering today? Let's slide that off. All right, great packaging. Great job all around by the sender. Okay, let's use the old scissors here, my old reliable red scissors. All right, probably can recycle that too. And then the envelope. Hold on a second. Let's see if we can do this. Oh, actually, let's try this here. These are not, I have no use for these bags. Post office. Priority. Whoops. I've got plenty of those, and yep, it's definitely a slab, yo. Not my raws. I particularly like both. Some things I slab, have them graded. Some things are just best left in a raw state. I certainly am not one of these collectors that has hold on a second. I'm dropping everything. This mad obsession with slabbing every single comic book that they own. That is a recipe for disaster in more ways than one, financial and otherwise. And there's just a certain amount of time consumption and obsession that goes into all that. Yeah, I mean, to each his own, but it's not my thing. Hold on a second. Okay, we're making a mess, but that's okay. This area is just for that. Let me see. Now we make inroads into the plastic without damaging the slab. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can do this backwards. Wait. Oh. I remember what this is. I just peeked with the rest of y'all. Let's see which one of y'all caught the peek. All right, y'all ready? Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Oops. Backwards. It is the... Whoa. It's Caligula Safe. It's in a Bad Idea comic. 5/2021. It's in Hank Howard, Pizza Detective, and Caligula Safe, #1. I wanted to own this because I just thought It's just one of those, I don't know where Bad Idea is going to wind up or where it's going. I don't think anybody does as far as a company and what the longevity will be. But I've actually got a couple of their comics, so I was lucky enough to get some of them. And some of them are graded and slabbed, just like this one. And can you believe that? Even for a modern comic, still, that's more rare than not. It's not the common grade. So mint 9.9 white pages. Beautiful. I love Robert Venditti's stories. David Lapham. I've got a reader copy of this, so this one had to be, I had to get this graded slabbed copy. So there we go. All right, y'all, enjoy. This video's been long enough. Y'all take care and have a great day today, tomorrow, and every other day thereafter. All right, now, see you in the next one.